Hello folks, we had some tech glitches. These things happen. I hope you're all able to see me and hear me now. Do comment saying audio, video, both are good. There's some tech glitch. We had to fix it. I think there's been a comment saying, hey, let's have some fun session solving a couple of sets. I'm looking forward to having some fun. I know though, as I said, when the tech was not working, I had said this already once. This is probably not the most ideal time to do this, but there is no better time than now. And I thought DILR, we've not discussed in a while. DILR sets are beautiful. Actual CAT paper questions are among the best in terms of quality. We have those still remaining. Why not set things off? And so there is no better day to start some new project than today. With that idea, saying, look, we're not going to get the timing enormously right. We'll attack it and have a crack at it. So DILR Slot 2, we're going to do now. Before we start, I would love to hear from you guys saying audio and video are fine, that you can indeed see me and hear me clearly. So just tell me if the audio is also fine, video is also fine. Hello, hello, hello. That you can see me and hear me clearly. All clear. Thanks, Ashwin. Can we get only LRDI study material? Yeah. You can get. Thanks, Srirak. Thanks, Tarun. Thanks, Sonali. Lovely. Many thanks for commenting. Since we are on the topic, how many sets should one solve a day to get comfortable with the CAT level questions? Right now, get through the basics, but sooner or later you should hit the 1 per day run rate. After you start taking mocks, you can do mocks and this. That's sufficient. You don't have to do 3 per day. If you do 3 per day over 100 days or 200 days, then you're doing 600 sets apart from what you do in the mocks. Impossible. 1 per day. So you can start with 3 per week and then take it to 1 per day. That's enough. I'm going to solve these sets. We are definitely going to have some time at the end, about 10-15 minutes, to just shoot the breeze about DILR. And so I'm not going to make this a how to prepare for LRDI session. I'm going to make this a let's solve LRDI and see how it goes session. Right? 2M CAT preparation saying AV is good. Thank you. So don't take my name, although you knew me. I did say thanks, Tanmay. Or didn't I? Thanks, Tanmay. I tell you what happened. I think it was Tarun and Tanmay on my chat window thing. I thought both names were same. So, sorry. Thanks, Tanmay. Can we purchase only DILR? Yes, indeed you can. Only online DILR course you can purchase, that will be available. Lovely. I'm going to start with this. Start with the first. There are 9 boxes arranged in a 3x3 array as shown in tables 1 and 2. Each box contains 3 sacks. Each sack has a certain number of coins between 1 and 9, both inclusive. And if I were taking this exam, I read till this point. I'm saying, look, I'm jumping at this. This is right up my alley. Numbers, integers, 1 to 9. There's going to be some average, some median, some mode, some total in a row, total in a column, some difference, something. Prime number, composite number, something. It's going to deal with numbers and math. This much tells us that. And right up my territory, I'm jumping and taking that. And so the average number of coins per sack in the boxes are all distinct integers. The total number of coins in each row is the same. The total number of coins in each column is also the same. Total number of coins in each row is the same. So this adds up to x. Each column is the same, y, but not really y. All put together is 3x. All put together is 3y. So it's also x. Same number, right? Each column should also add up to the same total. Average in each box is an integer. So average is sum of what is there in the 3 sacks divided by 3. So there are 9 boxes. Each box contains 3 sacks. Each sack has a certain number of coins. Right? So the number of coins in a box is an integer. Average number of coins in the 3 boxes is an integer. Or if you put 3 numbers here, adding these 3 up will be a multiple of 3. Right? Nice. We don't know what this 9, 6, 2, 8 stand for. We don't know what 1 star, 2 star, 2 star, 1 star, what these stand for. 9 boxes, 3 sacks in each box. Each sack has a number of coins, 1 to 9. Average of those 3 sacks is an integer. Not just that, average number of coins per sack in all the boxes are distinct integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 integers, 9 different integers. 9. I missed the distinct when I was doing this and I got caught in a mess. Table 1 gives information regarding the median of the numbers of coins in the 3 sacks in a box for some of the boxes. In table 2, each box has a number which represents the number of sacks in that box having more than 5 coins. So The median of the three numbers is 9, median of the three numbers is 6, median of the three numbers is 8, median of the three numbers is 2, median of the three numbers is 8. Median is the middle term, arrange in ascending or descending. Just remember, the numbers could be A, B, C. We know that A less than or equal to B, less than or equal to C, median is B. Median of 2, 2, 6 is 2. Just keep that in mind. The numbers can be equal. Lovely. The second one, second table, table 2, each box has a number which represents the number of sacks in that box having more than 5 coins. So there is one sack here that has more than 5 coins, 2 here that have more than 5 coins, 2 here that have more than 5 coins, 1 here that has more than 5 coins, and so on. This is where it gets very interesting. That number is followed by a star if the sacks in that box satisfy exactly one among the following 3 conditions. It is followed by star star if 2 or more of these conditions are satisfied. Very nice, very, very nice. What are the 3 conditions? The 3 conditions here. If one of the conditions is satisfied, we put a star. If 2 or more are satisfied, we put 2 stars. And so look at it here. All of them have 1 star at least. So one of these 3 conditions, at least one of the 3 is satisfied for everything. Right? Nice. The minimum among the numbers of coins in the 3 sacks in the box is 1. That is one condition. The median of the numbers of coins in the 3 stacks is 1. Median is 1. If median is 1, then the first 2 are 1. The third one could be something else. Could also be 1, something else also possible. The maximum among the number of coins in the 3 sacks is 9. So I could have 1 dash dash, that will be this condition, 1 1 dash, that will be this condition, dash dash 9, that will be this condition. If one of the conditions is satisfied, I'll put 1 star. If 2 or more are satisfied, I'll put 2 stars. I cannot obviously, I've understood the condition, but I can't grapple with all of these straight away. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put these together and then think about it step by step. They're all distinct integers. The total number of coins in each row is the same, each column is the same. This is x, 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 x. So the total of all the coins put together is 3x. Now, all of these numbers are from 1 to 9. The averages are 9 distinct integers. Right? So all 9 should appear once and exactly once. So of these 9, the averages could be 3, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In some order, not saying this is averages, but all averages appear, all numbers from 1 to 9 appear exactly once. That means sum of all of these put together is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way to 9, 3 times over. These are the averages, mind you. If this is 8, average is 8, total is 24. Average is 7, total is 21. Average is 3, total is 12. Sorry, total is 9. 24, 21, 6, 12, all of that. So adding all of these up, we 7 into 3 plus 8 into 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 6 into 3, all of that, or add all of these numbers, multiply by 3. 1 to 9, adding everything up is 45. 45 into 3 is 135. Everything put together adds up to 135, or each row adds up to 45. Each column adds up to 45. Nice, beautiful, got this. I did not have this when I was solving it. Super powerful, very powerful. Now let's attack this. Fine. So the second column is median is 9. Second column, first row, median is 9. That means, hey, we should have dash 9, 9. 2 boxes above 9, above 5, this is 9 and 9. This one is below 5 or lower. Sum of the 3 numbers has to be a multiple of 3. 9 plus 9 is 18. This number should be a multiple of 3. It should be 3, 6 or 9. It can't be 6 or 9. This is 3. Or this thing should be 3, 9, 9. One box completely done. Okay. Now, in all of these type of questions where a bunch of data points is given, it is super useful to chase the extremes. Very useful to chase the extremes. Now, this average, 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 3, 21, average is 7. Okay. There's got to be one box here whose average is 1. One box here whose average is 9. average is 1, or there is one box that has 111 in it, one box that has 9999 in it. Nice. So what will we do? We'll say, hey, let me chase the extremes. I'm going to try to see if I can locate that. Where will the extremes be? If one box has 999, then it will have all three boxes more than 5. It should be 3 star or 3 star star. So it's either this or this. One box has 111, either this or this. Right. Super. So I'm going to think about that. One of these two is 999, one of these two is 111. And so this has a median of 8. The median is 8. Then the number of the condition satisfied here cannot be 999. That means this is 999. Brilliant. That's in the bag. 111. Both of them, the median is not given. 0 star, 0 double star. If it were 111, this condition is satisfied. The median of the numbers in the stacks is also 1. This condition is also satisfied. 111 satisfies 2 conditions. So the box that has 111, 3 stacks containing 111 coin each, will satisfy 2 of these 3 conditions, not this one. That means it should be 0 star star, not 0 star, 0 star star, or this is 111. Brilliant. Done. Keep chasing. We have a number 6 here. That's the median. We have 8 as a median here. Now this has all 3 boxes more than 5, right? And one of these 3 conditions satisfied. All 3 are more than 5, so this cannot be satisfied. Median of the 3 numbers of coins in the 3 sacks is 1. This cannot be satisfied. This has to be satisfied. There is a 9 here. There is 8, 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. The third box is more than 5, because all 3 boxes are more than 5. 17 plus something should be a multiple of 3. 17 plus 7 is 24. Only that works. This is 7, 8, 9, adding up to 24. Okay. This one, median is 2. 1 star star. The minimum could be 1. Median of the 3 stacks is 1. This is not satisfied, because the median is 2. That means there is a 1 in it, there is a 9 in it, 2 stars. So this is 1, 2, 9. This is 7, 8, 9. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in the bag straight away. Now what do we chase? Now this is 2 boxes above 5, and this total should add up to 45. This median is 6, and one of the conditions is satisfied. Now the median is not 1, either this is satisfied or this is satisfied. So this triplet is either 1, 6 dash or 6, 9 dash. And 2 boxes are above 5, more than 5. So this should be more than 5. This number should be less than or equal to 5. 1, 6, some number more than 5, adding up to a multiple of 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So this could be 1, 6, 8. 6 plus 9 is 15, multiple of 3, or 3, 6, 9. One of the two. Median is 6. One number above it, one number below it. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. It has a 1 or a 9. We can put a 1 or a 9. So 1, 6 something, 3, 6, something 6, 9. The total should be a multiple of 3. And this number should be less than or equal to 5. That number should be greater than 5. 1, 6, 8, 3, 6, 9. One of these two. So the total should be 45. This adds up to 27 plus 3, 30. So this number should add up to 15. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18. 1 plus 6 plus 8 is 15. So not this, only this. This is 168. Bunch of things filled. So 129, 789. 1 plus 2 plus 9 total is 12. This is 24, adding up to 36. So this, the sum is 9. 24 plus 3, 27. The sum is 18. 27 plus 12. Here the sum is 6. 0 star. So I could have all three boxes are below 5, less than or equal to 5, no 9 in it. I cannot have two 1s in it because there will be, both conditions will get satisfied. This is 1 dash dash. Adding up to 6, the second number is not 1, it could only be 1, 2, 3. These two add up to 5, 1 plus 4 is ruled out, 2 plus 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? This, the sum is 9, 1 star star, one number above, one box above 5, I mean the other two are below 5. The box above 5 cannot be 9, this condition is not satisfied because the total itself is 9, is not satisfied. That means the other two should be satisfied. That means we have 1, 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1, 1, 7. Right? Two conditions are satisfied. It cannot be this and this. There's no 9 in this number. It should be first and second. That means there are two 1s here. 1, 1 something adding up to 9. 1, 1, 7 adds up to 9. This sum is 18. Two boxes above 5. Let's see what the total should be. Total is 18. Two boxes are greater than 5. And two stars there. Two boxes are greater than 5. That means the median cannot be 1. That means there is a 1. There is a 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. Total should be 18. This is 8. Brilliant, brilliant. Just kind of grow into this slowly. We fill the entire grid. All numbers of coins in each sack, in each box, we know. After this, we just have to look at this question and what is the total number of coins in all the boxes in the third row? 45. How many boxes have at least one sack containing 9 coins? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These don't have 5. For how many boxes are the average and median of the numbers of coins contained in the 3 sacks? That box the same. Median is 1, average is 3, not this. Median is 9, average is not 9. Median is 6, average is 5, not this. Median is 2, average is 4, not this. 2 and 2, yes. 9 and 9, yes. 7, 8, 9, median is 8, average is 8, yes. 1, 8, 9, no. 1, 1, 1, yes. 4 values. For 4 of them, average and median are both same. How many sacks have exactly 1 coin? 1 sack, 2 sacks, 3 sacks, 4, 5, 6, nothing here, 7, 8, 9. 9 sacks have exactly 1 coin. In how many boxes do all 3 sacks contain different numbers of coins? Not this, not this. This works 1, 6 and 8. This works 1, 2 and 9. This works 1, 2 and 3. Not this, not this. This works, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 6, 8, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9. Yeah, 5 different sacks. Brilliant, 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 brilliant. Lovely set. Lovely. If you have any questions, queries, hold on to them. We will have a crack at them right at the end. I'm going to give priority to the questions and queries related to this LRDI set. And then we'll broaden and shoot the breeze for about 5 minutes. But it's not a look, how do we prepare for LRDI? This is a look, let's solve this. The best way to prepare for LRDI is to solve LRDI sets. The best LRDI sets that are out there are the actual CAT LRDI sets. That's handed on a platter, attack them. Anyone who wants to define LRDI preparation, start very seriously, very aggressively, very early, by getting a flavor of what is this LRDI animal in CAT. The best port for that, for doing that, is the actual CAT paper. Nothing else comes even remotely close. Lovely. Nice. I'm going to go to the next one. 3 participants, Akhil, Bimal and Chatur, ABC, participate in a random draw competition for 5 days. Every day, each participant randomly picks up a ball numbered between 1 and 9. The number on the ball determines his score on that day. Oh, lovely skill-dependent game. Right, I'm just joking. It's a lovely game. Just pick up, that's your score. Right, so the total score of a participant is the sum of his scores attained in the 5 days. Understandable. You get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. You add all of that. That's your total. The total score of a day is the sum of participants' scores on that day. Nice. The 2-day average on a day, except on day 1, is the average of the total scores of that day and of the previous day. So think about day 2. 2-day average for day 2 is average of 1 and 2. Day 1 and day 2. 2-day average on day 3 is average of day 2 and day 3. 2-day average on day 4 is average of day 3 and day 4. Day 5 is average of day 4 and day 5. So we can have 4 numbers for 2-day averages. You cannot have a 2-day average for day 1. That's not possible. The 2-day average on so for example, if the total scores on day 1 and day 2 are 25 and 20, 2-day average on day 2 is 22.5. Table 1 gives the 2-day averages for days through to 5, 2 through to 5. We won't have a 2-day average for day 1. So day 1 plus day 2 is 30. Day 2 plus day 3 is 31. Day 3 plus day 4 is 32. Day 4 plus day 5 is 34. This is the average. So total will be twice of this. Participants are ranked each day, with the person having the maximum score being awarded the minimum rank. Maximum score is highest, rank 1. There's a tie. All participants with the tied score are awarded the best available rank. So if on a day Akhil, Bimal and Chatur score 8, 7 and 7, then Akhil will be first, Bimal and Chatur will be second and second. 1, 2, 2. These ranks are given in table 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Straight away I'm sensing, hey, this could be interesting. Only one place where there is a tie. The following information is also known. Chatur always scores in multiples of 3. Brilliant. It's a very powerful clue, because Chatur, our man 3, scores 3, 6 or 9 in every day. His score on day 2 is the unique highest score in the competition. Unique highest score. That means on day 2 he has won it. Let's see if he has. Yeah, he has won it. Unique highest score. He should have scored 9 or 6. I don't think he would have scored 3. 3 unlikely to be the unique highest score. My gut feel is it should be 9. Let's just eliminate possibilities and get there. His minimum score is updated only on day 1, and it matches Akhil's score on day 4. Minimum score is probably going to be 3, and day 2 unique highest score should be 9, likely to be. We'll verify this. The total score on day 3 and day is the same as the total score on day 4. Big clue, because day 3, day 4 average is given. We told both of these are equal, so we should be able to get something there. Bimal's scores are the same on day 1 and day 3. I think quite a few things will get filled here. And so I'm going to start by saying, let me lay it out on a table like this. A, B, C, Chatur, Bimal, and I don't know what A is, Anmol, I think. And so total is 30, 31, 32, 34. I know the 15 into 2, 15 and a half into 2, 16 into 2, 17 into 2. Right? So day 3 and day 4 are same. Day 3 plus day 4 is 32. This is 16. This is 16. This two add up to 31. This is 16. This is 15. These two add up to 30. This is also 15. 34. This is 18. We've taken all of this information, put that there, done, we're through. We can bin it. Total score on day 3 is same as day 4. We have accommodated that. Chatur always scores in day 2 is a unique highest score in the competition. Day 2 total is 15. If this were 6, imagine that being 6. That is a unique high score. Right? So day 5, 3 different scores adding up to 18. 18 by 3 is 6. We cannot have 3 numbers below 6 adding up to 6. That means this number, 9. And there's no other 9 sitting here. His minimum score is observed only on day 1, and we kind of take it from there. So let's see what other day he has. Day 3, he scores first, the other 2 are same. This is not 9. This could be 3 or 6. It cannot be 3. It's the highest on day 3. If we were 3, the other 2 are below 3. The total cannot be 16. This has to be 6. The other 2 add up to 10, and day 3 is a good day because both of them are tied, or this is 5, 5, 6. The other 3 are 3/6, 3/6, 3/6. We know his minimum score is observed only on day 1 here. On day 1 he is the 3rd. He couldn't have got 6 and been the 3rd because the other 2 have to be higher than that. cannot add up to 4. 6 plus 6 is 18. This is 3. These two cannot be 3 to 13. One number being less than 3, other being more than 3 cannot add up to 13. This cannot be 3 either. So both of these are 6. Anyway, his 3 is the only one day where he scored a minimum. So Chatur scores are 3, 9, 6, 6, 6. You can fill all of Chatur's numbers. We know that the total scores on day 3 is the same as the total that we have done. His minimum score is observed only on day 1 and matches Akhil's scores on day 4. This is equal to this. We know this is 5. Bimal's scores are the same on day 1 and day 3. This is 5. This is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. This should be 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. This should be 7. Nice. 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 6, 3, 7, 6. We know for 3 days. We still have to narrow it down for day 2 and day 3. Day 2 and day 5. Day 2, Chatur is first. Akhil's second, Bimal is third on day 2. Okay. Akhil is second, Bimal is third on day 2. So second and third adding up to 6. On day 5, Akhil is third, Bimal is first. First and third. This is more than 6. This is less than 6. So these two add up to 6. I cannot have 6 and 0. I could have 5 and 1, or I could have 4 and 2. These two add up to 12. On day 5, Bimal is highest. Bimal is more than 6. Cannot be 9. Adding up to 12, be 7 or 8, 5 or 4. 5 plus 7 is 12. 4 plus 8 is 12. We've gone this far. I'm going to just check whether we can drill down further from here. We cannot. And so we know this 4 or 4, 2, 5, 1, adding up to 6. This more than that. Adding up to 12, this more than that. 1 above 6, 1 below 6. So 7, 5, 8, 4. It cannot be 9, 3 because this is unique highest that we know. We've done this. We've got the whole grid in front of us. Just have to answer the question. What is Akhil's score on day 1? 7. Who attains the maximum total score? This is interesting. This we can find. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18, 27, 30. The overall total is 80, 32, 50, 80. This total, 5 plus 5 plus 7 is 17, plus the minimum is 8, the maximum is 10. It could be 9. 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 1 plus 7 is 8. So it is 17 plus 8 is 25, 26 or 27. It's 8 to 10, not 8 minus 10. What happens here? 7 plus 5 plus 3 is 15. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Again 8 to 10, not 8 minus 10. 8 to 10. 15 plus 8 is 23. To 25 it is 23, 24 or 25. So Akhil's score is 23, 24 or 25 total. Bimal's score is 25, 26 or 27. Chatur's score is 30. We cannot find all 3 scores. But the question is who got the maximum total score? That's definitely Chatur. What is the minimum possible total score of Bimal? 25 to 27 is his overall possibility. Minimum is 25. The total score of Bimal is a multiple of 3. What is the score of Akhil on day 4? Multiple of 3. That means this is 27. That means this is 23. That means this should be the smaller number. This should be the smaller number. You should put 7 plus 4, 11 plus 5, 15 plus 3, 18, 11, 16, 19, 23. What is Akhil's score on day 2? 4. If Akhil attains a total score of 24, this is 24, it just could have been 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4. Sorry, 4 plus 5 or 5 plus 4. Both are possible. This total should have been 26. This total is 30. We still can't find out what individually was there in day 2 and day 5. Then what is the total score of Bimal? That we can find. Total score of Bimal is 26. Lovely. I'm going to stop with that as far as the learning part of it is concerned. I'm just going to have one look at the chat window. Please take such Blitzkrieg sessions for VRC2. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. I'm keen to jump in and do some passages this year. I mean, last couple of years, I've completely shut myself, or last year, not couple of years, I completely shut myself off VRC. Didn't Bhankar help my preparation. I'm seeing some wonderful passages, lots of fun. So I want to jump in and do a few passages. Some of the passages that are there in our study material are brilliant. Sometimes I'm resolving them and finding the answers and resolving doubts and answering queries. I realize how fantastic those passages are. I definitely want to get my hands dirty and attack them. Prepare well, enjoy the IPL, enjoy the summer, prepare with a sense of joy. DILR, especially sets like these. I don't know, we started about 7-8 minutes after 7. We're at 7:30. In about 24-23 minutes, we've solved 2 sets and explained them rather well. My gut feel tells me that you could have done these 2 sets in CAT, in this slot, if you picked them and executed well over a 40-minute period. That would have landed a score of 99th percentile plus in this session. Now, the exam context, the ability to pick these 2 sets, the fatigue after doing VRC, the environment, the feeling of high or low depending on how VRC went, all of those will play a role. And I'm not saying anybody can waltz in and do these 2 sets. If that were possible, then it won't be 99 percentile. Only 1% of people are actually doing these 2 sets in this session. That's what 99 percentile means. And so, in one sense, it was a discussion point. One sense was just let's do some content. Another way, it's also to kind of elucidate the idea that DILR is tough, horrendously so. But if you keep your wits with you, it's very much possible to do 1 set, and maybe even possible to flirt with 2. You finish 1 set, you're generally in the 90th percentile range. You do 2, you go to 99th percentile. So it is not out of the realms of possibility that all of you have picked one of these 2 and nailed it completely. Do previous years what LRDI is, and then get into your preparation. Wonderful, folks. Best wishes for your preparation. Have fun preparing for CAT. I'll catch up with you guys again sometime the next couple of weeks. Tomorrow we have another LRDI session. A good friend Raghu is doing slot 1, which is horrendously tough, the exact opposite, but still fun. Enjoy that as well. Ciao.